In this video, we will be assembling a milk carton treat box. This milk carton is 2 by 2 inches square. I'm sorry, I'm putting in some glue while we get this started, and is, I think it's about 3.5 to 4 inches tall. So it's pretty small, but I've designed it in pieces so that if you want to make it bigger, you can. But I just wanted something cute for giving little Valentine treats. So you want to start by just folding on the score lines. I believe this one is going to need to fold up. And then you've got these cross ones for the milk carton. Okay. And we'll just glue these two together. And then before I close it up, I'm going to add acetate to my windows so that whatever I put in it does not fall out. You could use vellum. You could even use a solid color. Just got that all over the window. My glue bottle is not cooperating with me today. You just have to be careful if you're using like this acetate, because the glue does spread pretty far when you put it on with those. Okay, so there are panels for the top. It's easiest to apply these while your project is flat. And now we're just going to close it up. this one. I knew it was going to be a problem when I put it on. It was going over. I cut these by hand because I forgot to cut them out. This one was too big. I just like to fold it both ways when I do that. Another one of them was too big. Was it? Nope. Maybe not. Yes, this one is over the score line. Okay, no more cutting by hand because I did not do a good job. Did not do a good job thinking I had the right size for those. Okay. But those files, those squares are in your files, and if you use the one that's in the box, in the file, then it will be the right one. So just put a little bit of glue around these edges. You're going to seal this up because it slides onto the bottom. So we're just going to close this all up. You can see it's just cute. It's just little. So here's the bottom. Fold everything on the score lines. Again, the reason why this is in pieces is so that you can make it bigger if you would like. But this is a good size for like classroom treats. Then we're going to put the bottom on. And just kind of move the box around because it is square, so there's no wrong way to put it on. You just have to watch out for the little lacies when you put this in. There we go. And if you were to do the bottom a different color, then you would have a different color showing through the window. And that is the heart milk carton. Thank you for joining me.